the things that we know is going to be really important with helping practices to ensure their population is getting vaccinated is to do patient outreach. So we've added these two fields called outreach status and this free text notes field that are user editable. So you can sort of turn this into what I call edit mode by double clicking on the row, and it'll sort of change this view here, and you can select this outreach status field from a drop-down list and add in your free text notes. So the outreach status field has different sort of summary values to kind of say at what state in the outreach process a patient might be at. So for example, let's say you're not able to reach the patient, you could add this flag here if they're vaccine hesitant, whether you are, at what point in the outreach process you're at, whether you've started the outreach or scheduled the doses. I'm not going to read through the entire list, but you can sort of get the idea of, how to use this. We want to, we called this patient and we're working to schedule an appointment. So we could just update this outreach status to say first dose outreach, and then say, called patient on Feb 9, will call back on the 12th. So we can update this, and it gets saved here. And these values will be available to any user who has this patient on their ENS panel or on their MD-PCP practice. So you're able to see, if someone is sort of being outreached to elsewhere, to be able to make sure that you're not sort of duplicating effort. What you'll do is you'll, for a particular row, you'll double click on the row, and that will sort of put this in the edit mode, and you can just add in whatever patient note that you have, and then click on this update button or cancel button if you want to cancel. The other way that you can do this is by clicking on the patient name and launching the patient summary. And then from here, you can type in the, select the outreach status from the drop down here, or type in the notes and click save here. So sort of two ways to do it. It does update the same fields though. I guess it's just about how much space you need to view and edit your note. That I know that sometimes this this view in the grid is maybe a little bit limiting, but it is small.